Hi, it's Lisa Janvert and I'm back here in baby number 2's nursery makeover. Today it's all about the glider and the glider area. This is one of the 3 key spots in the nursery and you want to be super functional. You will spend lots of time here. You'll be feeding, reading, cuddling with baby, and you want to have everything sort of in hands reach or arms reach. So there are 5 ways to add functionality. 1 is a side table, number 2 is some task lighting, number 3 is a decor pillow, number 4 is a comfy throw, and number 5 is a poof or footrest or ottoman, whatever you want to call it. So first we're going to bring in this side table. It's got a nice round smooth edge, it's super sturdy, it's got wonderful surface space, and it's going to fit right here next to the glider. You want to give enough space so it doesn't hit your wall or the glider. The next thing you want to bring in is some task lighting. This lamp we chose is from Paynes Gray, an online retailer, and it is the most perfect accent to this room. It's a modern floral design in a rose gold finish. Fit right there next to the glider so you can see without having to put the heavy, strong overhead light on. So next we're going to add in a decor pillow. This one here is by PEHR Designs. It's called Peekaboo. It's super adorable. Peekaboo. It actually brings a lot of functionality. It's super cute, but it's great to put behind your back for lumbar support because you'll be sitting there again for hours and hours. You want to have as much comfort as you can. It's also great to rest your hand or your arm on when you're holding baby during feedings or readings. So, decor pillow. So the next item on our list is a comfy throw. Now you want to change it out seasonally so you have something lighter weight in the summer, in the warmer months, and something heavier weight in the colder months. Just keep it right there on the glider. Okay, mamas, the last thing we're going to bring into this space, near the glider, is a poof or footrest or ottoman, whatever you want to call it. Yes, put your feet up. I have a lot of people say, well, I don't use one, I can just dangle my feet. If you're spending a lot of time here, it's really not good for your back, for you're cutting off the circulation. Make sure and get comfortable because you're going to be here for a long time. We are done with all the hard work. Let's move on to something fun. I brought in a few of my favorite decor pieces. I always like to have something in the room that's personalized.